News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Ramya, giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today, we will be discussing about vacancies in Intelligence Bureau, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Dayal Bagh Educational Institute, Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Fisheries, Department of Forests and Wildlife, and Department of Higher Education. Online applications are invited from Indian nationals for direct recruitment to 2,000 posts of Assistant Central Intelligence Officer in Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Appointment to the post will be temporary. Applications should be submitted only through online registration by logging on to the website www.mha.gov.in or www.ncs.gov.in. The application portal will be operational from 19th of December 2020 to 9th of January 2021 till 11:59 p.m. Registration done prior to 19th December 2020 and after 9th January 2021 will not be accepted. For technical queries or clarifications relating to the filling up of online applications, please feel free to contact the help desk at the email helpdesk.bhati@nic.in. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Government of India invites online applications for stipendiary trainees for training in Nuclear Recycle Board, Tarapur and Kalpakkam for the following posts. The vacancies for stipendiary trainee category 1 are 13 posts of mechanical, 6 posts of electrical, 7 posts of chemical, 13 posts of civil, 3 posts of electronics, 4 posts of instrumentation and 4 posts of chemistry. For stipendiary trainee category 2, the vacancies are 15 posts of plant operator, 1 post of AC mechanic, 45 posts of fitter, 5 posts of welder, 6 posts of electrician, 11 posts of electronic mechanic, 3 posts of machinist, 13 posts of instrument mechanic, 1 post of welder, GMAW and GTAW, 3 posts of mechanic diesel, 2 posts of machinist grinder, 1 post of laboratory assistant. For direct recruitment, the vacancies are 3 posts of technician C, boiler operator, 1 post of technician B, painter. The candidates should meet requirements as regards trade certificate as given in the detailed advertisement published on www.bark.gov.in or www.recruit.bark.gov.in. For detailed advertisement, please visit the website www.bark.gov.in and www.recruit.bark.gov.in. Online applications received from www.recruit.bark.gov.in alone will be accepted. Any other source of application will be treated as invalid. The facility for online application will be available from 15th December 2020 up to 31st January 2021. Now, let's discuss about Dayal Bagh Educational Institute and the opportunity that it is offering. The Dayal Bagh Educational Institute is located amidst the tranquil environs of Dayal Bagh, a self-contained colony renowned for its serene environment and secular establishments, in which its inhabitants lead an active, disciplined and cooperative community life dedicated to service, conforming to the high spiritual ideas of their faith. On the outskirts of the historic city of Agra, the campus is situated in garden settings, away from the din and noise of the city. Dayal Bagh Educational Institute is deemed to be university under Section 3 of the University Grants Commission Act 1956 by the then Ministry of Education and Culture, Government of India. Applications are invited from well-qualified Indian nationals, including persons of Indian origin and overseas citizens of India, for faculty positions at the level of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, contractual post, guest faculty and adjunct faculty in its various departments. This is a rolling advertisement applicable on all teaching and non-teaching posts. which will remain valid up to 31st of December 2021. As and when sufficient number of applications is received, the interview shall be held. The notification for the same shall be available on the Institute's website www.dei.ac.in. Interested candidates may visit the Institute's website www.dei.ac.in and submit online application. Listeners, Indian Institute of Mass Communication proposes to fill up 18 posts in 12 categories. They include 1 post of Registrar, 1 post of Deputy Registrar, 1 post of Senior Research Officer, 1 post of Assistant Registrar, 1 post of Assistant Director Official Language, 1 post of Senior Private Secretary, 2 posts of Section Officer, 2 posts of Senior Personal Assistant, 1 post of Assistant, 2 posts of Library and Information Assistant, 1 post of Junior Stenographer, and 4 posts of LDC or Typist. For further details like qualification prescribed for the posts, category, pro forma in which application is required to be submitted, manners of selection, etc., candidates may please see the vacancy section of the website www.iimc.gov.in. Application may please be sent only through online mode as per the link provided in the website of the Indian Institute of Mass Communication latest by 5 p.m. of 15th January 2021. Applications are invited for filling up 1 post of Mission Director, National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber-Physical Systems in the Department of Science and Technology on deputation, including short-term contract basis. Eligible candidates are required to fill up the application online through the online portal recruitment.dst.gov.in using valid email ID. This online portal for applying shall be available for a period of 30 days from the date of advertisement in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. This application should reach the concerned person by registered post or speed post within 15 days from the last date of closure of online portal and 30 days for remote areas from the last date of the closure of online portal. For the application format and other general conditions and requirements, visit the website www.dst.gov.in. Department of Fisheries, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry Dairying, Government of India proposes recruitment for 1 post of Senior Instructor, Seamanship and Navigation in Central Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training, Cochin on deputation including short-term contract. The place of posting will be at CIFNET Headquarters, Kochi. Applications from eligible officers may be forwarded to the concerned person within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. A notification has been issued for extension of last date for the posts of Assistant Conservator of Forests on deputation, with reference to office advertisement dated 22nd September 2020, published in Employment News, regarding filling up of posts on deputation in the Department of Forests and Wildlife. It is to notify for information for all concerned that the last date of receipt of completed application forms in the prescribed format has been extended for a further period of 3 months. All other terms and conditions and eligibility criteria of the advertisement remains unchanged and are available on the website forest.delhigovt.nic.in. Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India has published a corrigendum which states that in partial modification to the advertisement published in Employment News dated 28th November to 4th of December 2020, the website address www.mhrd.gov.in may please be read as www.education.gov.in, and the last date for submission of applications is 20th January 2021, which is equivalent to 45 days mentioned therein. All other terms and conditions remain unchanged. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, news on AIR.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.